Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia and I'm having a competition and a giveaway, so I'm opening in another envelope, and this is from Amy Rittenhouse or something it says. Oh dear, I can't pronounce people's names, isn't that terrible? She lives in, where she live in the USA, and I like the tape. Oh look, I like that. I like these birds, look at that. And this pretty colour one. I don't know why I'm covering that up. You can't see anything on that bit. Okay, so let's carefully take a piece off the end of here. Oh, I don't do it if I can. I want to take a piece off the end there because her address is on there. If you mightn't put it on the inside, I've got to make sure I don't cut anything. I'm peeping under here as I go. Wild with the scissors. Okay, got it. I will be back on to do tutorials very shortly. I'm hoping very shortly to show people how to do stuff. Oh, look at this! Wow! Oh, look. Isn't that pretty? I do love this washi tape. That is beautiful. Lovely bright colours. Thank you very much, Amy, for this. We got in here is a pussycat. Oh, look at that, isn't he beautiful? Oh, he's so nice. Look at that. I am a big fan of congratulations, 5 years YouTube, you rock. Hope this finds you well. Here's my entry. The white piece is fun. The white piece is from part of my mother's clothing, and the other piece is from my stash. Hope you can find use for it. Not much wanted to share with you. Love your channel and spirit so much. Hugs from across the sea, Amy. Now the lady wrote really well. It's Sonia's reading is not too good. She is Salvage Gil Creations. I have seen some of your videos. I'm sure I've subscribed to your channel, don't I? This Salvage Gil Creations. I'm sure I've seen your videos. So anyway, people can go over and have a look at your channel. I love this. Isn't this nice? Go over and visit you and see what you have on there. Anybody that that has sent me anything is, people can go see what they do. Oh, there's lots of everything in here. Oh dear, if I tip it, look, I've got little butterflies. I'll have a look at the bits of fabric first, okay? I'll look at the bits of fabric, and then we'll have a look at all them bits. Oh, look at this! Wow. Oh, this is nice. Look. Oh. Oh, look at that! Isn't this awesome? I don't know what sort of some sort of silky thing or something that is. Isn't this pretty? Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much for that. That's lovely, that piece, isn't it? It's got a printed part across the edge there. And then there's this bit. Oh, this is a nice bit too. Oh, this is the way. This is the right side. This is a piece of sari silk, I think. I think that's what that is. It is really nice. I love the colour and the panel on there. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. That is lovely. And this one here is from a piece of maybe clothing. I don't know if this bit might have been or not. That is nice. I love the colours on this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. I love that. It's a nice heavy gabardine, I think, with flowers and that on it. That is really nice. Thank you so much for that, Stephanie. It's really lovely, darling. Thank you so much. Amy, I'm up to Amy. Sorry. I've got myself confused so bad. And here, look, I've got lots of blingy things. Oh, they're cool. I can either use it in a panel or a strip, or just cut out one. This one is really, really nice. I'm going to have to turn the fan on. I hope everybody doesn't mind. It's going to make a raw noise, but I can't deal without it being on. I really love this too. This is really neat, isn't it? Thank you so much for that. And these pretty die cuts. Wow. Gee, they're nice, aren't they? Really neat. Thank you so much. I really love them. Hearts. And hearts. Another heart. Piece of the washi tape. Oh, look, that's a nice washi tape. Piece of washi tape. A nice piece of bling. Beautiful things. Thank you so much for these. I really appreciate that. Thank you, darling. I love this butterfly too. It's neat, isn't he? I do love butterflies. There's another one. And the little beads that you sent me. Thank you so much for them. They are really cool. Thank you. I love all these bits and pieces, and the fabric is lovely, so thank you. And the card with the pussycat on it is so nice. Thank you so much for this, Amy. That is very kind of you. Okay, so everybody, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.